Are you looking for a way to attract new high-end clients? Sick of HomeAdvisor, Yelp, Google Leads? They're all tire kickers. They all want to shop around for the best price. Well, we have an event that can literally transform your business. Back in 2004, I was like many of you. I didn't know where my next client was coming from. I handed out flyers, I advertised, I prayed for work. Sometimes we'd have a bunch, so other times we had none, and it was up and it was down. The problem is it's very hard to employ people and give them a place to actually grow in their careers without a steady workflow. And it's absolutely the worst when you have to actually discount jobs to get work to keep your guys going. I was taught the architect and builder philosophy from a literal legend in the landscape field. Peter Cook came to work for me from Valley Crest, which later became part of Brightview. He taught me all around the country there are independent landscape architect firms, designers, custom home builders who are looking for great partners to work with. Blue Claw was founded on the principle of relationships with landscape architects, designers, and builders, enables us to become their preferred landscape contractor. Blue Claw, my company, scaled from $0 to $10 million in revenue in 4 years employing this tactic. We don't spend a dime on advertising to get clients. Plans for 6 and 7 figure projects, they come right into our email box literally every single day. And the best part, our building professionals actually pre-sell Blue Claw to their clients, which means we don't even usually meet the client, sometimes at all, sometimes until halfway through the project. At Building Better Connections, which is an event we host here every fall in Cape Cod, we teach you how to do this in your business. We have a lineup of industry pros that will teach you how to do it step by step. We have landscape architects who will be at the conference. They'll explain to you what they look for in a landscape contractor, and they're able to answer any questions you might have. Let me explain the event. It's broken down into 3 ticket levels and 3 days. On Thursday, we will tour the exclusive island of Nantucket. We'll see Blue Claw's projects, both ongoing projects, completed projects, including the $1.8 million project called Shimo that we completed a year or so ago. Capped off by a chartered plane flight from Nantucket back to Cape Cod. On Friday, we'll fire up the shuttle buses and we're going to tour Blue Claw projects all around Cape Cod and South Shore of Boston. We'll give you an in-depth tour of our offices and facilities and show you how we actually manage the company. That's on Friday. Then on Saturday, the conference is held in a hotel, and this is where the teaching begins. So a platinum ticket covers all 3 days. You got the Nantucket day, the Cape Cod day, and the conference. It includes all travel expenses and all meals for those days. It's limited to just 14 tickets. A gold ticket covers the Cape Cod day and the conference and is limited to 20 tickets. A silver ticket is if you just want to attend the conference. So book your tickets now on blueclawgroup.com. Click Live Events, Building Better Connections. Again, the tickets are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone.